Hello and welcome back to La Forêt French class. Today we'll look at how to use the French keyboard that we have developed at La Forêt French class. The keyboard is already available on our website for everyone to use, so let's get started. First we have to open any browser to access the French keyboard. Now there are two ways to go to the keyboard. The first way is to go to our website frenchclass.in and then click on the resources over here and then further click on the French keyboard. And voila, you are here. Or the second way is that you can simply type in keyboard.frenchclass.in. So either way, you'll end on this screen having the French keyboard. Now let's see how this keyboard works. So there are letters here and there are instructions here. Now one way to type these letters with the accents is by simply clicking on them. Or what you can do is press Ctrl with the appropriate letter to change the accents. Also, because I am on Mac, I'll be using Ctrl plus the letter, but if you are on Windows, you have to use Alt plus the letter to change the accents. So do check the instructions on the right hand side accordingly. Coming back, if I press Ctrl plus E, it gives me plus accent aigu. But if I press Ctrl plus E twice, it gives me accent grave. Thrice gives me trema and so on. So the accents keep on changing depending on the number of times you press the letter with Ctrl. Similarly, Ctrl with C gives C sedil, Ctrl plus I gives chapeau and so on like this. Also, when you hover over the letters, you can see the shortcuts. So if you want to type A with accent circumflex, you have to type Ctrl plus A twice. Let's try this with a sentence. So I want accent grave in mer. I can either select from here E accent grave or use the Ctrl shortcut. So this is my sentence, ma mère m'a donné du thé. Now while typing, suppose if I forgot what is tea called in French, then I can simply come down to here, which is a small translation tool attached with the keyboard. This helps you to quickly find any vocab that you might not know. So I'll type tea here and the French translation thé will appear here. You can then copy it and put it in the main document. There you go. One more interesting thing about the translator is that it works both ways. You can type English to get the French word, or you can type French to get the English word, just like this. Now coming back to how to use this keyboard in day-to-day life. So after writing in French, you can simply copy it to your main document and paste it for future use. So we hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Au revoir, merci.